Who do you owe it to?
I owe it, number one, to Dreamscape.
Napapa-English mo kasi Inglesero lahat ito ha.
Dreamscape production, of course, ABS-CBN. Miss Kylie Manalo, ay Ate Carlina, of course, lahat po ng production natin sa Dreamscape. Si Ate Carlina po actually,
of course,
yung nag-meeting with me to pitch the show. At lahat po ng mga promises na sa akin na kapagpuan.
And as you all know, kasi iba na yung position na certificate Deo Engineer.
Tito Deo had our first meeting, balik ko pa po, tungkol dito sa Pamilya Sagrado. And nakikita ko po yung passion na talaga for this project, na ito talaga yung baby niya doon with this Miss Kylie. So, sobrang thankful ka namin to the available to
of course. Before I give the microphone to Kyle and Kuya B, this explains the good news. May bagong laban, may bagong yugto. We like to please watch this.
Only 100. Sorry.
Si Moises yung anak ng mister. Nagsama-sama ang mga tao baltas na ito ang katotohanan sasabihin.
Isa ako pumatay kay Roland. Kinapsak ko si Presidente Elizal.
Sa September 2.
Kung sino man sa inyo makakita kay Malonzo, ipagbigay alam niyo agad sa mga pulis.
Masyado mong pinoprotektahan mo, Moises.
Tinaya na yung buhay niya para sa kaso ng anak mo!
Nagpasya po ako. Bumaba sa aking pwesto bilang inyong Pangulo. Nagpataya ako para maging presidente ang alaga mo. Nasaan mo na ko?
Ang magkaroon ng reunion, ang anak mo at ang nanay mo. Hindi kayo.
Babawi ako. Mag-iiganti ako.
Sabi ko na ang hambakagis.
Sagrado ang pamilya, pero mas sagrado ang matas.
Tatalo na makahusan ako! Tumupad niya ang usapan niyo! Ibalik niyo na ko!
Buhala na ang mga kalapari.
Ang dami ng matatahan.
Nandito kami para ipaglaban ang katotohanan. Lagpas yung si Moises. Huwag mo maramdaman ang full vengeance ng GSM.
Sinabi kong katotohanan, protektahan ka. Hindi mo kapatid tao.
Kapanapanali na ang paghahanap ng katarungan.
Kaya hindi mo ko kayo.
Anong panyahan?
Mas Moises, bagong yugto.
Meron ako ng speech. In mind, there's truth. So let me speak of truth about family and brotherhood.
Hindi ko hahayaan mapahamak ka na.
That's the worst decision you can make.
Okay, we're officially announcing in this MediaCon that we are taking on another, may times and change po nagaganap starting tomorrow. We'll have Apiolo react on that and answer that. But before that, Kyle! Apiolo sila! Diba? Thank you ha, alam mo na yun. For always being, taking care of the promo, nakakabuha kay Kyle Sigway. Kyle, any comments?
Tungkol po sa...
Ano nga yung tanong ko sa iyo, Kyle? Nakalimutan ko.
Drama Prince.
Ayun, this drama Prince title, kayo na yung next in line.
Siyempre po nakaka-pressure pero sobrang honored. I'm so honored to be called one of the next in line. Napakarami po mga pakagaling na artista sa ABS-CBN. At para sabihin ko na isa po ako doon, talagang nagpapasalamat po ako. I've been in this industry for 9 years and I've been a Dreamscape baby for 8 plus years. You were 9 or 8 plus years din. And talagang si Sir Deo, hindi po ako pinabayaan. Hanggang dulo. Sa mga hindi po nakakalam, pinitch po sa akin ni Sir Deo itong show na to habang ginagawa ko palang for senior high. And talagang pre-measure na po ako. And one of my biggest goals was to make him proud. So, sana, nanonood po si Sir Teo
Of
sa amin
course.
ngayon at sana naging proud din po siya sa naging
Speaking
siya.
of Sir Deo, please watch this. Joke lang. Joke. Of course, joining us today before I introduce our the lead actor, Ultimate, our creative head writer, Genesis Rodriguez is also here. Remember, tanong kayo gusto ng tanongin, Genesis can really answer that. Kuya P, how does it feel mga barkada mo? Ano yung tanong? Di mo sila naman nakakakita eh. How does it feel na kahit nakaka-mentor ka ng mga ganito? Doon ba papunta?
I don't want to call it mentorship because I'm still a student myself. You know, I'm still trying to learn, and I guess I will forever be a student in this industry. If I'm tasked to mentor the young ones, I would do it in such a way that I would show my authentic self, not trying to teach or let them learn from me the way I do it, because I also believe that each talent has their own distinct skill. So, nakasan nila yun. I was telling Kaya, you just watch, but you know, you don't copy, and you also just be yourself. So sa akin, when I saw the two of them, and I saw the passion and the commitment, parang dun pa lang na bumabalik sa akin yung excitement sa trabaho. So I don't want to call it mentorship because parang nakakagaling mas maganda na natututo tayo palagi sa mundo. Open tayo to the learnings, just like what I said kanina. But it's of course, it's a privilege, you know. Pero yun lang sa akin, I'm just happy na I get to rub off on their energy as well. Kasi yung commitment nila sa craft, yung passion, yun yung sa amin nag-fuel sa amin to always give it our best.
Okay, before we distribute the cast ng per table, ito lang gusto kong tanong, Paige, sumarap ka sa amin noon, hindi mo pa nakikita yung husay nila. Seeing the whole process of production taping, na nag-last taping din yan, last taping din yan in a couple of days, ano yung na-discover mo talaga sa husay ng dalawang bata?
In all honesty, I've never been this invested in a show. You know, when I
I
say
can feel.
tapos na ako si Soap, but when Tito Deo pitched this last year, and he said, this is a good project to have, you know, boses ka ng society, and you get to play a character na masasabi mo, not just challenging, pero milestone for my career as well. Pinanood ko siya from day one. You know, I'm so happy seeing not just their growth, but yun nga yung they owned it. Gray, hindi kami nag-uusap sa sex, pero pag nag-take na, you know, he becomes my son, he becomes the character.
Wow.
Kami tatlo nila Maylene, grabe yung energy. So, very authentic, very committed sa craft niya, and nakita ko talaga na bibigay niya lahat. And with Kyle, it's the same thing. Hindi pa nagsisimula yung show, ang maganda kay Kyle, he's very invested. So we became Moises, and to the point na hindi mo na makikita si Kyle sa set, parang siya si Moises. So yesterday, when we did the last scene, kaming tatlo, si Gray nandun siya sa Putinan at 2 o'clock. Tapos sila nandun sa, Hukay. Pero wala kang marinig na complaint, you know? Yun talaga yung pangahawakan mo pag mga ganitong show. Kaya I'm really proud that I became part of the show. And yun nga, halfway through, marami pang mangyayari. And marami pang bibigay yung dalawang sa sobra.
Peach, kasi tomorrow, September 2, officially, 3 kings are taking over ABS-CBN prime time. From Coco Martin, Jerry Rosales, and Piolo Pascual. Any comment on the times that change?
Siyempre, nakakakilig yun.
I know, kasi mga archives na ginawa nila,
Salamat. Pero, in this industry, it's important for us to lift each other up, to boost each other, and to also be there to support each other's endeavors. So with Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, syempre may bagong show, may bago tayong baby, may bago tayong kailangan kailangan. At ang Quiapo has always been there as a staple. And for us, it's a blessing because at least ibang market naman yung attached naman. At the same time, yung lahat ng their gigs, makakatulungan tayo.
Ang ganda ng ratings. Congratulations, Paige, Gray, and Kyle. Bonggang ratings for the last 3 weeks. Hindi naman kami prangkahan ha. Talagang the last 1 month to appreciate the great things that we're getting. Ano, di ba, PH, di ba? Ay, ito struggle pero happy that we're finally, di ba, nakuha natin yung what exactly how we wanted. Ito na po, sabi ko nga, we want to make this informal lang. Aaron will have to tell me kung saan lalagay per table ang ating 3 cast. Ayun, so PJ can stay there, and then Ray can stay there, and then Kyle, please stay in the bar na. Ayan, Alfred, please. Okay, Piolo, so I'm here with better than Thomas and the TV departments, we will let you do this